Hey everyone, welcome to the WealthWise Academy podcast. I'm James Carter, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of credit scores. With me is the amazing Susan Dale, a financial expert with years of experience. How are you doing, Susan?
Hi James, I'm great, thanks for having me.
So, Susan, credit scores. They sound simple, right? But they can really impact our lives in big ways. Can you give us a quick rundown?
Absolutely, it's so crucial to understand. Credit scores are basically a numerical representation of your credit worthiness. Lenders use them to decide if you're a good risk for loans, credit cards, and even mortgages.
Right, and I heard a story about someone who couldn't even get a phone contract because of a low score. It's wild how pervasive it is.
Totally, your credit score can affect so many aspects of your life. I remember when I was just starting out, I made a few late payments.
Oh no, what happened?
Yeah, my score took a hit, and it took me a while to recover. But it taught me so much about the importance of managing credit well.
Thanks for sharing that, Susan. So, what are some common misconceptions about credit scores?
Many people think that having no debt means a perfect score, but that's not true. Lenders want to see a history of responsible credit use.
Interesting, so it's more about how you manage your credit rather than avoiding it altogether.
Exactly. Building a good credit history is key. Now, let's talk about some actionable tips for improving your score.
Great, what's the first step someone should take?
First, pay your bills on time. It's the simplest yet most effective way to improve your score.
And I guess keeping your credit card balances low helps too.
Absolutely, ideally under 30% of your credit limit. Also, don't apply for too much new credit at once.
Right, that makes sense. It's like being strategic about your financial moves.
Yes, and regularly checking your credit report for errors can also help. You wouldn't believe how many reports contain mistakes.
Wow, really? That's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Indeed, and if you find any, report them immediately to get them corrected.
Susan, I know you had a personal story about this, didn't you?
Yes, actually, a few years back, I found an incorrect late payment on my report. It was a hassle to fix, but it taught me the importance of vigilance.
That's a great reminder. So, for anyone listening, what's the one thing they should remember about credit scores?
Consistency is key. Manage your credit responsibly, monitor your report, and over time your score will reflect your efforts.
Thanks, Susan. This has been incredibly informative. Any last thoughts before we wrap up?
Just remember, a good credit score opens many doors, so it's worth investing the time and effort to understand and improve it.
Great advice. Thank you so much for joining us today, Susan. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in. Until next time, take care and keep striving for financial wellness.